Oh, hi. Suspensions have always been TeraFlex's forte.
They understand that practicality is key, yet so is the fun factor.
Once again, the Wizards of Smart here at TeraFlex nailed it. With the all-new, top-of-the-line Alpine RT suspension system.
Featuring the amazing IR flex arms with the new independent rotation bushings. And this ain't your Uncle Chester's lift kit.
Depending on what you want to do with your Jeep, we have an Alpine RT kit for you.
Starting with our RT2 2.5-inch lift kit. This short arm marvel takes you to the next level of awesome. Enough lift to tackle any trail, yet not crazy enough your mother-in-law struggles to get saddled in. Running the kiddos to school or fleeing a herd of velociraptors, this kit is a well-rounded choice for weekend warriors.
Let's say the call of the wild beckons you. Let's say the call of the wild beckons you more often than the most common folk. You're going to need a more robust option. Fear not, the Alpine RT3 kit is your baby. With your choice of short or long arms opens the door to vast wilderness of possibility. Just that extra lift puts you in a class all your own. With 3.5 inches and the IR arms and those quiet bushings, your buddies won't hear you coming as you dazzle them with your willing abilities. Yet still take the family out for ice cream and still remain bad to the bone.
Yet there is an elite class of Jeepers who need just a bit more.
These rebels eat and sleep the road less traveled. These wild ones can crank it to an 11. With the Alpine RT4 kit, 4.5 inches of get out of my way, this bolt-on long-arm beauty can tackle any trail that rises up against it, and yet still drive the roads of civilized folks in comfort and style.
Each kit comes with coil springs, 8 Alpine IR flex arms, HD forged adjustable front track bar, and with a rear track bar bracket.
Speed bump front and Falcon progressive rear bump stops. Front and rear strike pad plus extension kit. Longer front and rear sway bar links. All the necessary hardware and more.
Wrong way.
The Alpine RT kits fulfill the needs of anyone looking to take their JK or JL to the next level of awesome.
And TeraFlex is here to help.